For the next scroll of honor, I invite Air Marshal Dr. Pawan Kapoor, former DGMS, Vice Chairman RUS Education and Vice Chancellor Lincoln American University, and our dear patron for KAHO, to announce and felicitate the leader in healthcare delivery, the current president of Global Association of Physicians of India, GAPIO, Dr. Anupam Sibal, Group Medical Director, Apollo Hospitals. Over to you, Pawan Kapoor, sir. Apollo Hospitals. Over to you, Pawan Kapoor, sir.
Greetings to all of you, and thank you, Kaho, for giving me this singular honor and privilege to present this scroll to someone who has all the values and all the qualities which Mr. Peter Lackman has been saying when he started the 10 value system. So it is my privilege to Dr. Anupam Sibal that you are being granted the scroll of honor on behalf of KAHO. To introduce Dr. Anupam Sibal, it is like writing a book in a chapter, a book on an individual. I cannot do that because I know there is paucity of time. But knowing Dr. Anupam from such a long duration of time, I can surely say that he has changed the path in which healthcare delivery has taken place in this country. And he has changed it with humility. He has changed it by taking initiative, and he's had the courage to stand up to all odds when things were not going in favor of healthcare delivery. He has been thinking globally, acting locally, and has been very vocal about what he feels. On behalf of KAHO, Dr. Anupam, it is my privilege to present this scroll of honor to you for the way that you have led the healthcare delivery in this country by way of being the first to introduce a pediatric gastroenterology department in Apollo Group in the private sector, by the way of being the first to start and assist in development of a liver transplantation program in India, by the way of leading GAPIO as a very vibrant organization. Your dynamism is so obvious, and by involving the medical students and the residents in all professional consultations, in all professional conferences, I think I salute you for what you have done to healthcare delivery. Thank you, Dr. Anupam, for being the person that you are, the humility that you present, the way you communicate your viewpoints, and the frankness with which you deal with everybody. I think Cow has taken the right decision in presenting this scroll of honor to you. Please be kind enough to accept this scroll of honor for your dedication, passion, and leadership in healthcare delivery, and for your contribution in making GAPIO a very vibrant organization. Jai Hind.
Over to you, Anupam, sir.
Thank you so much, Pavanji, for that honor. Thank you so much, Kaho. I've been studying over the years that amazing organization that all of you have created, Alex, Vijay, Lalu, and it's so nice to have colleagues from overseas, Peter, Arun Bhai, Graham, and of course, colleagues from different parts of the country on this panel. I'm really humbled by this honor, and I don't think I'm worthy of this. I am a student trying to understand what leadership is all about, what virtues and values define leadership. And I think I shall remain a student for the rest of my life, because I think the subject is so vast and there's just so much to learn. And even with trying to do things every day in terms of trying to make progress on this journey, I think the journey is lifelong. I think what KAHO has done is truly remarkable. It really has started several programs. Really happy to see the support Peter has given through ISQA and all the international collaborations that you have forged, the numerous national collaborations that you have forged, the number of programs that you run, the fellowship programs, and the fact that you've made teaching so much fun, and the kind of interest that you are able to generate among the healthcare professionals, doctors, nurses, technicians, and everyone who looks after patients. It truly is commendable for an organization as young as KAHO for the success that you have achieved. I would want to applaud you for all that you've achieved, and I'm sure with the spirit and the pace that you've set yourself, the future is going to be really, really exciting. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Anupam Sibal, sir. Congratulations to you and thanks for joining us today.